Sometimes if your bike is cold and it doesn't want to start very nicely, you can pull the choke just to give it a little more oomph when you first start your bike until it gets warm. Then you're going to want to turn the choke back off. Some bikes can idle nicely, but others can't. With two strokes, we really try not to let them idle when we let the bike warm up. So I'm just giving it just a little bit of throttle to prevent fouling a spark plug. When I'm warming a bike up, I really don't want to just crank it right away. We really want to let everything warm up together. If you just blast the throttle and things start moving really fast, oil might not be where it needs to go. You just want to make sure everything's moving nice and smoothly in the motor. If the bike is liquid cooled, I start with my hand on the radiator and I just wait until it's warm to touch, not hot. We don't want to burn our hands while we're warming up a bike. But just once it starts getting warm, then I can increase the revs a little bit. Just trying to clear out some of the junk that's in the motor from it just being in a lower RPM range. Adding a little more revs. And for most two strokes, it's pretty common to have some smoke coming out of the back end just all the time. But I like to know that my bike is warmed up when I can just give it a quick little blip of throttle and it doesn't have a lag to it. So it didn't lag. So now I'll hit the kill switch and turn my bike off.